Hey gardeners, it's Steven. Welcome to another episode of Barlow's TV, your local landscape and garden resource. I'm in the garden here to teach you guys some tips on planting spring pansies. So the winter season's over, it's the end of March, beginning of April, and you're ready to get your pansies in the ground. Pansies are an awesome, cool season plant that you can plant basically from the beginning of March all the way through up until May. They love cool nights. We actually grow them in our greenhouses all the way down to 28 degrees so they can handle it cold. They also give you that first burst of spring color. When you look at a pansy, we have them in these 6-packs here. You want to make sure that you push them out like that from the bottom so you don't rip I like to call the head off the plant off. So these have really nice roots. They've been growing in our greenhouses since December, so it's not a bad idea just to break the roots apart. Now when you plant your pansies, it's kind of different than planting annuals in the spring. The pansies aren't going to get really big, let's say a begonia or a sun patient, so I like to tend to plant them a little closer together so you get that impact of color. And it's great to get the pansies in the ground now while the temperatures are still cooler so they can get a really good root system established, and this will extend their life when it gets really hot. Now we all know that pansies unfortunately don't live through the hot summer, but if you get them in the ground early enough, you can definitely have beautiful pansies all the way till June. So go out there, grab a flat of pansies, put them in the garden, and watch them bloom for the next 2 to 3 months. Thanks so much for watching this episode, and have a great day.